Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to void a DocuSign after signing. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and go to agreements. And here you have inbox, okay? Or completed. For example, you already signed this document and you want it to be voided. Now, when you click on the three dots right here, as you can see, you don't have that option, okay? That's because you're the only one that needs to sign this. Now, if you do have multiple signees right here, well, you'll still have the option to void the document, okay? For example, right here under my inbox, okay? Say, for example, this person didn't sign yet. That means his status will not be completed. So you'll have the option to click on three dots and just click on void, like so. It says here, by voiding the envelope, you are canceling all remaining signing activities. Recipients who have finished signing will receive an email notification that includes your reason for voiding. Okay, just hit on void, select the reason. Once done, you're good to go. Again, you can void any of your sent envelopes that have not yet completed. You can only void envelopes that you sent or manage or are shared with you and that are still in process. This just like what I've said earlier. Status like this one needs to sign or need to view or even waiting for others, you'll have the option to void that right here. But if it says here completed, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to do so. Okay, just keep in mind that you cannot void an envelope once you've voided it, as there's no way to reactivate the transaction. Your only option is to create a copy or start from scratch. That's basically it. That's how you void a DocuSign document after signing. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.